Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Video lectures, class 1, subject English, final term, lecture number 7, Sayyida Kamal Mahmood, Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Contents of today's lecture: Introduction to the verb to be, Grammar and Usage Exercise 24, Home Task. Dear students, you have learned a lot about nouns. Nouns are naming words. Naming words means they are names of person, place, things, animals. I have given examples of nouns here. Moreover, you have learned much about the nouns in your previous term or in your previous lessons. So, you have a good understanding about the naming words. Look at this garden. I'm going to make a wall of small words here. The brick I have placed, first of all, is of I. Next brick is it. Then another brick, you. Afterwards, I will place a big brick, they. Then I have put 3 bricks, he, she, we. So the students, I, it, you, they, we, she, he are called the pronouns. Do you know what are pronouns? I tell you. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. Now, let's see how they are used in place of nouns. Pronoun I is used for one person. Pronouns he, she, and we are used for people. She is used for females. He is used for male. And we is used for more than 2 people. Pronoun it is used for animal and things. Pronoun they is used for more than one nouns. Pronoun you is used for second person. Now recall your learning of pronouns. See the clouds in the sky. She is used for female. He is used for male. I or you is used for one person. It is used for animal or thing. We or they is used for more than one person. So you have learnt about pronouns now. Now students, let's come to our today's topic, the use of is, am, are. My dear students, the words is, am, are also called helping verb or the verb to be. Let's learn the use of is, am, are with me. The verb am is used with pronoun I. I am a boy. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. I am a boy. I am a girl. I am a lady. I am a man. The verb is used with the pronouns she, he, or it. She is a beautiful lady. He is a handsome man. It is my pet cat. The verb are is used with they or we. They are my grandparents. We are a happy family. The verb are is also used with the pronoun you. You are a boy. You are a girl. Dear students, now recall what you have learnt about the verbs is, am, are. Am is used with pronoun I. Are is used with you, they, we. And is used with he, she, it. Now I think we are capable of filling the exercise 24 of our grammar and usage book. Now we are going to fill grammar and usage exercise 24. Question is filling the blanks with is, are, or am. Number 1 sentence, Mr. Lee dash my neighbor. Mr. Lee is he is, Mr. Lee is my neighbor. Number 2, the children dash excited. Children are more than one noun. More than one nouns, so you will say the children are excited. Number 3, John dash late again. John is late again. Number 4, I dash fond of ice cream. I am fond of ice cream means आइसक्रीम का शौकीन हूँ. Number 5, the students dash in the hall. The students are in the hall. Students are more than one in number, so we will use are. Sentence number 6, my dog is very playful. My dog is. Number 7, I dash very happy. I am very happy. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Number 8, the farmer dash very hardworking. Farmer means किसान, hardworking means मेहनती. Farmer is. Number 9, the woman dash my aunt. Woman is. The woman is my aunt. Number 10, we dash good friends. We means we are more than one in number. So we are good friends. All of you have filled this exercise with me? Well done. Here is your home task. Learn grammar and usage page number 87 and 88. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.